Okay, when you're ready, then move off.
Turning.
Good. Did you see the car, black one?
Yeah, I think he's parking.
So is it safe?
I think so.
Yeah, good. Good, well done. Keep going. So when you come to the left, you need to check your mirror, okay? Because there's a parked car and he's turning there. So don't do sudden movements, okay? When you come into the left, check your mirror before you come into the left. So we are taking next left turn, the crossroad. Did you check your mirrors? Okay. Now we need to truck the double yellow line. Nice and slow. Come to the left first and then to the right. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice turn. Keep going. If he is not there, we keep on the left, but he's there. So after the turn, we go to the right. You correct this mistake, which is good. Keep going ahead now. And then after the blue one, we go to the left. So after a few seconds, just glance in your left mirror so you can see your position where you are. More to the right, away from the one, yeah. Now here we slow down, nice and slow, so we come to the left quickly. We don't want to go in this lane, second lane, because there's no cars here, but if the cars come from there, we don't want to go into their path. Keep going ahead. Can you see the hazard there?
Yeah, do I stop?
Just slow down, nice and slow. Let the lady go, then go. Good, now. So when you see a hazard like this, don't completely stop, but just ease off. Then slow down and deal with them correctly, okay? Keep going ahead. When you see him, just ease off. Don't completely stop. He'll go to that side, then you go to your own side. That's good. Keep going now. And he's coming, so we come to the left. We come to the left and stop here. Just stop here for a few seconds. Okay. Now we go. Now come to the left. Away from the curb. Keep the steering straight, okay? And go. Keep going, good. More to the right, away from these cars. Remember, one door width. Now we're going to pull up to the left where the 20 sign is.
Do I need to signal?
Yes. Keep your car straight away from the curb. And just slow down more. Ease off. and we stop here somewhere. Yep, here somewhere. Okay, now tell me about this circle.
Okay, let's go.
Reflect on this one.
It's good.
Okay. Yeah, I think this left turn you fix the fault, next turn you fix the fault, and then when you see the other learner car he was approaching. So when you see a car and like you are going and he's coming, so do one thing. When you're stopping behind the car, keep 2 car spaces between you and the front car. And why we keep 2 car spaces?
In case someone like breaks
And when we're going out,
the space.
we need to be safe. So if we go really close with the parked car, what's the danger?
There's no space.
And how we gonna go out safely?
Can't.
Yeah. Okay, that's only one mistake. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead, and this time I'm gonna give you different left turn. I want to see how you're gonna deal with that one, okay? So when you're ready, then move off. Yeah. Keep going ahead and then take next road on your left. Keep in middle, okay? So away from both sides cars.
Do you mean this one?
Yeah, this left. This is awkward, okay? So press your brake nice and slow down, and do it slowly. Okay, I'm just helping you, so you come to the left now. This side, my side. Yeah, keep moving. You are on your brake, that's why it's not moving.
I thought you told me to.
Yeah, that's it. Slowly go, slowly. And just go to the other side now. Otherwise you're gonna go on the curb. Very slow. That's good. More to the right. You don't want to go on the curb, okay? So you just look there, look at your car, where's your car is going. Nice and slow. And then end of this road, turn left. End. Yeah. Keep it to the right, just slow down when you're approaching at the junction. Look at your position. I'm gonna open the door, look. If I don't touch your brake, you're gonna go on the curb. So here, just slowly move to the right away from the curb and go very slow. So, and we are turning left. So when we come here, we slow down and stop. It's a give way, so we stop properly behind the give way line. And where we checking? Where?
Oncoming traffic.
Which way? You just tell me which way you checking.
They're coming this way.
Yeah. So which way you checking?
What do you
Left
mean?
or right?
Right.
Yes. So she say I'm gonna check on my right. Okay. Good. And then go. Remember your speed here. We don't want to go really fast. We slow down more. Yeah, now this speed is fine now, because if we go really fast, then we just making trouble for ourselves. This is fine. Keep going now. When the road is clear, then go, or just give gas and go. But if there's like tight road, park cars, ease off. We're gonna truck the double yellow line. Keep We're in the right, away from the parked cars again. Look, your car's going into the left parked cars. So we're gonna pull up to the left again, same place. So which mirror you checking and signaling? Just here. Here, okay? Okay, so just reflect on this circle now.
The beginning turn, the first turn was.
What happened in first turn?
I went too close to the curb.
Why?
Too fast.
Good. Well done. So next, if we go there, how we gonna fix it? What you gonna do different next time if we go there again?
Slow the speed down.
So your fault was speed. That's why you lose the position and you went to the right. Okay, now we're gonna go again and fix this and show me how you're gonna do it differently with the slow speed. When you're turning left, keep your car on the left, then turn left, but don't go to the right. Okay, keep left, keep steering to the left with the nice and slow speed this time. Let's go out and fix this. So we are turning left at this crossroad. Keep it to the right a bit because this is a parked car here. Here we slow down. Remember how you're gonna do it? Nice and slow. Slow down more, and keep steering to the left. Keep coming to the left with slow speed like this. That's it. We stop here, straighten your wheels now, and then move forward. Okay, straighten your wheels more. Now go very slow. Okay, this awkward turn, and now we come to the left, nice and slow, away from this car, 1 meter away from the curb. Keep going ahead. And then end of this road we are turning left.